Hello, my name is Emilam Akbar and I'm from group 750. Complementary and alternative medicine, which includes a range of practice outside of conventional medicine, such as herbs, homeopathy, massage therapy, yoga, and acupuncture, hold increasing appeal for Americans. In fact, according to one estimate, 42% of Americans have used alternative therapies. In all age groups, the use of unconventional health care practice has steadily increased in the last 30 years, and the trend is likely to continue, although people born before 1945 are the least likely to turn to this therapy. Why have so many patients turn to alternative therapies? Many are frustrated by the time constraints of managed care and alienated by conventional medicine focused on technology. Others feel that holistic approach to health care better reflect their belief and value. Others seek therapy that relieves symptoms associated with chronic disease, symptoms that mainstream medicine cannot treat. Some alternative therapies have even crossed the line into mainstream medicine as scientific and investigation has confirmed their safety and efficacy. For example, physicians and currently prescribe acupuncture for pain management or to control the nodes associated with chemotherapy. Additionally, many U.S. medical schools teach courses in alternative therapies, and many health insurance companies offer some alternative medicine benefits. Thank you.